This is our first time in Thailand, and we're on a rooftop bar in Bangkok. Can't ask for much more than that with a great view of the temple. We're about to spend some time going through the city and see what we can get into. The first thing about Thailand, it's hot. It's damn hot. I'm drenched in sweat, and this is actually the cool season.
We've walked about 5 steps and now it's raining. So Joe's been super hangry, so I had to pick a spot. We just found a random spot down the alley.
Looks amazing. I'm just hot.
Are you satisfied?
I'm doing much better, thank you.
Joe found a coffee shop. You know, if he sees one, he can't not go in. Joe approved coffee.
That's good.
Okay, so you're gonna get the deep fried sea bass, and I'm gonna get the stir fried pork belly with chili and garlic.
Be curious. And we got a salad appetizer, and they asked if we wanted spicy or not spicy. We wanted spicy. Proceed.
Just had an amazing Thai breakfast. Now off to the temple. Got our knees covered, shoulders covered.
Yep.
Joe had to change because he was wearing shorts that didn't cover his knees. So now that with the proper attire on, we can go explore. We're gonna go and start with the Temple of the Reclining Buddha. The Reclining Buddha is one of the largest Buddhas in Thailand, and it's 15 meters high and 46 meters long. some deep fried bananas.
Oh man.
Very excited. We're in Chinatown and I'm very excited to go explore and see what tasty bites we can find.
So this is durian. It's one of Kate's favorite fruits, and if you know anything about durian, it's actually the stinkiest fruit on the planet. And it's not allowed in hotel rooms, on flights, trains here, but it's very popular among some people. I've tried it twice, and both times I gagged, but this actually smells a bit better than some of the other stuff I've had. It's actually somewhat better than the other stuff. I only half gagged this time. So the revelation here is that the durian in Thailand is fresh and it's delicious. The stuff we find back in the States, to me, smells like death and makes me gag.
Well, that's because it's been shipped halfway around the world.
This is true.
This is fresh.
It's good. But it stinks.
But it tastes so good.
One of the ways we've been getting around Bangkok is we've been taking public transportation, mainly the trains. There's an above ground and a below ground train. We tried taking the bus, but we got caught in traffic and we probably sat there for about 20-30 minutes before we finally got off the bus, got on the train, and then got to our destination. So off to the MRT and our next destination. So you remember what I said about the durian being stinky? Well, no durian allowed on the train.
Did you show me? 66.
How is it?
So good.
5 and 5.
Okay.
Thank you. The last time I had street food in Asia, it got me. So we'll see what happens. That's good.
Joe and I signed up for a Thai cooking class. I can't wait. Apparently we're going to be making 5 traditional Thai dishes today. First stop this morning is the market. We're going to get some produce for the cooking class.
So our instructor explained that if the eye of the fish is cloudy, don't buy it. Get the eyes that are shiny. Like that one.
We're on our way back to the school to turn this into yummy goodness.
Gonna make tom yum goong, pad thai, panang curry, green curry, and mango sticky rice. Like this. Until all the fresh come out all.
All right, Chef Joe.
Let's do this. This is one of my favorite soups too. Oh man, that's good.
What are you doing over there?
Just mixing everything into my Penang curry.
There are cumin, coriander seed, and black peppercorn, garlic, shallot, bird eye chili, kaffir lime leaf, galangal ginger, lemongrass, coriander root, and spur chili. If you like spicy, let me know, please.
I like spicy.
You like spicy? You are hot girl. And now mix, 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 mix.
So full.
Oh my lord.
But they give us chopsticks and a recipe book so we can make everything when we get home. Off to Chiang Mai.